everyone, welcome back to my stock prediction series where I analyze stocks using fundamental and technical analysis to predict 1 year and 5 year price targets. Today we are looking at Vertiv Holdings, ticker symbol VRT, a company that has been on my watch list for a while, and it's down 24% year to date and 30% in the last 3 months. But could this be a massive buying opportunity? In this video, I'll break down Vertiv Holdings fundamental, expected growth, technical levels, and my personal strategy for this stock. And just a reminder, this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal strategy and research here, so please do your due diligence. Now, let's take a closer look at what Vertiv does and its business model. Vertiv Holdings is a global technology infrastructure company specialized in power management, cooling solutions, and critical infrastructure for data centers, telecom, and industrial applications. And its key products and services are data center cooling and power solutions, uninterruptible power supplies, which are called UPS, networking and edge computing infrastructure, and finally, cloud and hyperscale data center solutions. With the rise of AI, cloud computing, and data centers, Vertiv is positioned at the center of one of the fastest growing industries, and companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta are investing billions into data center expansion, which directly benefits Vertiv. Now, let's see where its revenue comes from. 50% of the revenue comes from its data center power and cooling solutions, and 30% from networking and telecom infrastructure. And finally, 20% from industrial applications. Vertiv's revenue has been steadily growing, and analysts expect it to continue expanding rapidly as the demand for AI-powered cloud infrastructure skyrockets. Now let's look at the numbers. With current trailing 12-month EPS is at $1.29, and the expected annual EPS growth rate is 27.4%, and current PE ratio is 67.92, and the current stock price is $87. Using these numbers, I've calculated the 1 year and 5 year price targets for VRT, and here they are. For 1 year, it's $111, and for 5 years, it's $294. That's almost a 236% return in 5 years. Even in the short term, a 28% upside is impressive. This kind of growth potential makes Vertiv Holdings a screaming buy for me at the current levels. Now, let's look at the technical levels for Vertiv Holdings, and the key support levels are $72, which is a strong historical support, and if it goes lower here, we have $62, which is a major long-term support. Right now, VRT is trading at $87, which is still a solid entry point given its fundamentals. But if it drops closer to $72 or $62, that would be an even better buying opportunity, giving us 300% returns in 5 years. And for the long-term investors, dollar cost averaging into this stock at these key levels could be a smart move. So you may be thinking, do I have this in my portfolio already? Right now, I don't. But I plan to start a position next week. Given this incredible growth potential and technical setup, I think it's a very attractive buy at these levels. However, stock estimates change every quarter, so I'll be re-evaluating after the next earnings report to see if my projections hold up. To summarize, VRT has huge upside potential, nearly 250% returns in 5 years, and in the short-term price target of $111, it's a 28% return. And the key support levels are $72 and $62 for better entry points. I'll be starting a position in my $200,000 portfolio next week and tracking this stock closely. What do you think? Is VRT a buy at these levels? Are you holding or waiting for better prices? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And if you enjoy these stock predictions breakdowns, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for the next video in my stock prediction series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.